welcome back to James Powell YouTube channel, where we give the news, tech, and more. Today's episode is brought to you by the Stack On Elite 90, the 72-inch gun safe. It's a tall fireproof safe with electronic lock, and it is black. It's a factory-installed door organizer with sewn-in holsters and pouches. The keypad can be silenced. Electronic lock batteries accessible from the front of the safe. So, this episode is brought to you by them. Click on the link below or go to jjmediaonline.net/gunsafe. jjmediaonline.net/gunsafe. So, let's get on to our video today. It is amazing how all of these liberals and different ones are really showing themselves when Trump really starts sticking up for America. And one of the things that has transpired since Trump has done away with the WHO organization payments is the liberals are popping their heads up. But before we get to an article with that, here's a report. Of course, the last couple videos I've done, I've been pulling a lot from Breitbart. He just seems to have a little bit more than what the mainstream media sites have. But Bloomberg News caught on tape telling reporters to preserve access to China's Nazis. So, click on it here real quick. I thought I had it. There we go. 6 years ago, Bloomberg News killed an investigation into wealth of Communist Party elites in China, fearful of repercussions. Get this, fearful of repercussions by the Chinese government. That's crazy. So, according to NPR, the Chinese ambassador got wind of an embarrassing story and warned Bloomberg not to publish. The story was published, but the reporter Mike Forsyth, who is now with the far-left New York Times, began receiving death threats that were relayed through other journalists. This forced Forsyth and his wife, Lita Hongfincher, to flee Hong Kong. Isn't that amazing? If they're so friendly, why? It's crazy. The problem with Bloomberg began when the reporting team pursued the next chapter, focusing on Chinese leaders' ties to the country's richest man. The story was killed. It never ran. According to NPR, the reasons were finally revealed in an October 2013 conference call led by Bloomberg's then editor-in-chief and co-founder Matthew Winkler. Someone recorded the call, and NPR says it obtained the recording. The alleged script reveals what any serious media watcher already knows. America's elite media kowtow. Get this, America's elite media kowtow to the communist Chinese in the exact same way the media kowtowed to the communist Soviet Union decades ago. Think of that. And we wonder why we say we've lost journalism. So I'll put the link in the description. I'm not going to read it all. As many of you know, I try to keep my videos with the ads and everything very short, under 10 minutes. So you can read. I'll have the link below. All right. Next up, Hollywood erupts. Hollywood erupts after Trump halts the WHO funding. And of course you see the word they use. What is happening? Trump is slowly getting the deep state, the mainstream media, all the liberals, slowly working them into the corner and really starting to squeeze them and make them show who they really are. And they are being exposed little by little, and especially during this lockdown, they're really being exposed. They're not used to being controlled, and they're starting to really show themselves. The World Health Organization has parroted falsehoods about the coronavirus since early January. It pushed a false claim from Chinese authorities that there was no evidence, get this, no evidence of human-to-human transmission of the virus. WHO director said his organization opposed President Donald Trump's January decision to close travel from China. The president announced a halt in WHO funding on Tuesday, and at the time, this is Wednesday, the day after, at the time of this recording. And left-wing heads in Hollywood exploded. Frozen actor Josh Gad fired off this fake news screed. WHO warns Trump of impending pandemic. Trump mocks virus's hoax. Virus washes onto our shores. WHO offers tests. Trump tells them no. I mean, it's crazy. Look at this. WHO warns, that his tweet. I mean, their heads are totally exposing. It is a fact not acknowledged by the aforementioned Hollywood leftist rage tweeting Trump, that the coronavirus that killed more than 26,000 Americans, upended the lives of millions, and has thrown the world into a depression, originated in China. The origin of this new coronavirus is a wildlife sold illegally in the Wuhan seafood market, supposedly. There again, there's a few things that they aren't totally sure of. These facts didn't stop celebs from melting down after President Trump announced he's freezing taxpayer funding to the WHO, which amounts annually to roughly, get this, $500 million. Isn't that crazy? And I am thankful we have a president that is really all about America. Thank you, President Trump. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, share, connect with us on social media. The links will be in the description, and there's also a link if you want to donate to our channel. Thank you very much. We will see you on the next video.